You are not undisciplined. You are not lazy. And you are not broken. You are fighting a battle you never knew you were in. Most people think discipline comes from willpower. But here is the truth no one tells you. You do not lack discipline. You lack a system that makes discipline possible. And once you understand this, everything changes. What this video is about. In the next few minutes, you will learn the real reason you struggle to stay consistent. You will learn the psychological trap almost everyone falls into. You will learn the 3 discipline killers that sabotage your progress. And you will learn a simple system that makes discipline feel natural, not forced. If you have ever asked yourself, why can I not stick to anything? This is the video you have been waiting for. 1. You are relying on emotion instead of identity. Most people try to be disciplined only when they feel motivated. But motivation is a visitor. It comes and it goes. Identity is permanent. Think about that one friend who always goes to the gym. Rain, stress, no sleep. They still go. Not because they have more willpower, but because they believe they are the type of person who trains. Your brain follows who you believe you are, not what you wish you were. 2. Your environment is working against you. It is impossible to win a fight when the battlefield is designed for you to lose. You want to study, but your phone keeps glowing like a nightclub invitation. You want to sleep early, but the next episode is waiting for you. Trying to be disciplined in a distracting environment is like trying to swim with weights on your ankles. You do not lose because of the water. You lose because of the weight. 3. Your goals are too big. You think you lack discipline, but you are trying to climb a mountain in one step. A student once told me, I am going to study 4 hours every day starting tomorrow. He studied for 20 minutes, got overwhelmed, and quit for 6 months. The problem is simple. He built a staircase so high he could not reach the first step. Discipline is not built with giant leaps. It is built with small, uncomfortable steps repeated every day. Common mistakes people make. First mistake, believing discipline should feel good. It will not, especially at the beginning. Second mistake, waiting for the perfect moment. There is no perfect moment, only the moment you start. Third mistake, trying to fix your whole life at once. Rebuilding yourself is a process, not a sprint. Here is the simple system that actually works. Step 1. Choose one identity shift. Say this clearly. I am the kind of person who learns daily, or trains daily, or reads daily. Choose only one identity for now. Step 2. Make the first step. Only 2 minutes. 2 minutes of reading, 2 minutes of exercise, 2 minutes of writing. This removes emotional resistance. Step 3. Control your environment. Put your phone in another room. Study facing a blank wall. Use a website blocker. Shape the battlefield to help you win. Step 4. Track the chain. Every day you show up, mark an X. Your only job is simple. Do not break the chain. Step 5. Increase slowly. When 2 minutes becomes easy, move to 5, then 10, then 20. This builds the discipline loop. Effort becomes repetition. Repetition becomes identity. Identity becomes discipline. You are not behind. You are not weak, and you are not undisciplined. You are trying to build a skyscraper without building the foundation. Today, not tomorrow, choose one identity. Take one step, and begin the chain. The life you want is not built with motivation. It is built with discipline, and discipline is built with decisions. One decision. Today.